We say Makadini.
Ribo.
DJ Moto. Hey.
King Mula on the deck.
DJ Moto. How did you? How?
Udazumsona red card.
Our captain.
Red card.
Ismail Assad.
That was a second yellow. Second yellow is a red card.
Being unnecessary red card. Unnecessary.
Okay, so you guys wanted to win this game.
We wanted to win this game because that was our only last chance to qualify to the World Cup.
Qualify to one World Cup, guys. Even if you won, you were not going to qualify.
No, you know
why not? Why don't you just let South Africa win?
No, because you know we've got another game coming against South Africa in December, AFCON. So this was our preparation to beat South Africa. So we need a second chance just to move South Africa nicely.
Yeah.
So we didn't get that chance because of time.
Why show them that we are capable of beating South Africa?
We are capable of moving them. You understand?
Yeah. Why show them that no?
So right now the way things happened. Bafana, they've got slim chances of going to the World Cup.
Yeah,
what is your opinion on that?
No, we wish them good luck on the World Cup. They must go to World Cup. We want them to go to World Cup.
But they won because they couldn't win.
We want a strong team to go and represent Southern Africa to World Cup. Not a team that can just play, like around group stages. Then they are out. Then we'll be like, Southern Africa, there's no any team which qualified to the second group, you understand? So we need a stronger team which we can, depend on to say, we've got a stronger team from Southern Africa to the World Cup.
So you guys are happy about the results today?
Yeah, we are very happy.
Oh, you wanted a win?
We wanted a win because this is a game. This was not a,
A draw is fine. It's fine because it's fair. Because like we know at AFCON, we are capable of winning. We're gonna beat South Africa.
Many South Africans were thinking Uguti it's going to be a flawless game with many goals for Bafana Bafana, and for us to see some South Africans, America, just like we saw in Mamelodi Sundowns at the beginning of the season. So, but first, that wasn't the case. We could not be able to get the win. How did you make of the game?
My brother, I'm so disappointed.
Sure.
I'm so disappointed towards South Africa. I think the game, it's Njoba Atusho nje I game besitshela ukuthi as South Africans besitshela ukuthi nje it's a smooth flow. I game just is a winner without having any obstacles in between. Man just no red card. And we are going to the final game. Siyamdinga futhi lokhu njani Mbokazi. Siyamdinga ngempela uMbokazi. So I uthole red card Mbokazi. Last minute red card.
As beautiful as it is to see both of you together, but are there any hopes for progression with Bafana right now? Taking into consideration Rwanda won, Nigeria won. It's only Bafana that could not be able. Benin.
Yeah.
Benin won and Nigeria won. So are there any hopes?
Ngiyathemba kulamqeqeshi la ngiyangqama manga lamqeqeshi ngiyathemba kuye but namhlanje ngidisappointed futhi qama
Bonakelephi?
Mina ngazi.
What are you disappointed about?
Amagoli awangeni. Ayikho into esingayenzanga namhlanje. Wonke off the post. Ayikho into esingayenzanga namhlanje. Mina ngazi kwenzakaleni namhlanje.
Are you happy with the players that were called in?
Yeah.
And what are you saying about people who are saying, hey, we needed Khobla to be called with Bafana, maybe we could have scored?
Yeah, mina I'm one for Ukrob. But I understand why coach ngambiza Ukrob. Okay. Bruce akathandi i-age into yokuqala. I-age for yena into i-age akafuni umuntu osemdala ngaleyo ndlela. Kodwa for me if I was a coach, if I was given that opportunity, mina bengamthatha because njengamanje currently we are deserve njengamanje kuba kwi squad. Because la muntu lwana is the top goal scorer right now njengoba sikhuluma.
And also Thembiko Silotje futhi. And Thembiko Silotje.
So that's another one because with Mofokeng being injured and then you need someone to play U10.
Who's a playmaker?
Who's a playmaker and then you call Shabalala, but Shabalala umdlalisi futhi. So Ulotje, what was the reason behind not calling Ulotje to come?
I'm still saying
the age.
Mina ngokwami ngisasho njalo age. Ngokwami ngendlela uBruce akaselecta ngayo ama players.
But sometimes uBruce uyabe arrogant when it comes to listening to amanye ama opinions abanye abantu, especially ama fans.
Sure.
So we also ukuthi uLotch wadlala kanjani kwi-FIFA Club World Cup.
Yeah.
And even namanje wenza kahle kwi-that lapha Casablanca. Stats sakhe sihle kahle. Ama-assist, ama-goals. Siyabona umuntu kade simdinga njengamanje bekuLotch. But manje uBruce umuntu ongafuni ukuthi athi sama opinions abanye abantu. Waqala wamcriticize uLokhunjani Zwane.
Sure.
My criticize uZwane wasembona ukuthi uZwane manje useyiplaymaker. Manje useyamdinga uZwane kade khala nje ngaye ethi uyamdinga uZwane ku-squad. Kumele recover fast kwi-injury yakhe.
But he did admit that only a fool doesn't change his mind when there's a So probably he's still going to change his mind as far as Khobla is concerned.
I doubt ukuthi uRobla sazombona la kwi-national team. I doubt. For me, I doubt. And masibuyela kuleya shabalala. I think sonke sibonile ukuthi uMbule wenzeni namhlanje. Uyadeserve ukudlala ishabalala kodwa but I think wonke umuntu ubonile ukuthi uMbule wenzeni namhlanje. uMbule is-star, siyamdinga.
I think wonke umuntu deserve a second chance. So lento ayenzile uLokhunjana uHugo Bruce as well as Orlando Pirates ukuthi bebuyise leya italent la Sipho Mbule. Hayi. No,
not about you. It's not about you. Please take it easy.
Ngiyakhala ngaye manje.
No,
bafethu bafethu silekeleleni nasi.
Zasuke inkinga la umuntu asabe inkinga zakhe.
Can I please share my thoughts about the game? Yabona bafowethu sikhuluma game namhlanje. Silekhile emphasis intensity. Yabona namhlanje it was Zimbabwe's home game, right? But it was our home as well. Ama fans amaningi la bengawethu. I can actually say up 95% of my fans bengawethu la. So we should have won this game. Yabona at this point now we have Ipenin has 17 points. They won away against Rwanda, right? And their last game they are playing against us in Nigeria. Obviously if they get a draw there, it's try for everyone in the group. But if Nigeria gets a win there, I believe equal difference general manager it's one between South Africa, in Nigeria and Ipenin. I'm not sure about the goal difference, but yabona if Nigeria manages to win that game, because they're playing at home, I believe. And now we can draw against Rwanda. Even though we are playing at home, we couldn't beat Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe, we're playing for nothing today, right? They're playing for nothing today, but they gave us a match and team above. They kill about for intensity. They even got a red card in 63. Kobe Khan is for intensity in our gameplay. And another thing, I feel like Umukwena, not only with the Sundowns, but also with South Africa, some misprofiler. Umukwena is the number 8. But guess what? Since I'm number 8, you find Uguti, he plays mostly on our own half. Lama position, or rather, very deep. Lama channels that umele ngabe adlala obani, now number 6, which in this game was Usthole, Sakali game, second half, Waba Opas. Even that sub to me didn't make sense. Why don't you give Usthole, maybe let's say 70 minutes or 60 minutes? There must be substitution wenzani. Keeper Usole. Now you can start to Uts as in Mugwen. Now we need a win, so you can fall deep. Maybe Spaga Munyumut Manj Umbata. We know who's Umbata, we have my shots, right? Or you can do the very same thing with Umbata. Make Umbata fall back, Hambis Mkwena Pambi. Umkwenu Nama pass. Not only Nama pass, he's a shy of fools. He's a goal threat. Once Enga Legula have your opposition. He's a goal threat. So then every time if it's Susi Bola or Williams Susi Bola. And then he's playing is probably on the side. Mhlawumbe uMbogazi, then uMbogazi mail shy bola seyagbani ulisa center. So collects Mukwena futhi in the number 6 position. Kanti wenzani Opas? Owani usithole kanti?
But first, we can cry the whole night, but the thing is, we could not be able to get all 3 points. But there is hope, as you are mentioning the number of games that are still there, 1 game, and everyone is gunning for a space in the World Cup. So, kuzobonakala chance. So
at this point we have very little hope at this point.
Take out your calculators. Somebody not send us entabeni.
Wait. Yabona ngekhathi zoshabalala okhune Stephen Bilal and all those players. We used to be calculated Republic. And then Hugo Bruce came and then we qualified for AFCON. Smooth. That's why.
I was calculating.
Yabona before the deductions now at the point we're cruising nice. But now we are going back again to now in Uskwe one when it calculated Republic. So going to the last game, we don't have Manju Mbogazi. Omuntu they say start. So who are you going to put in the game? I believe maybe they will put the defender or Inglele let's say Galaxy probably. A partnership or no Smith namhlanje. Our defense was good today. Our defense was very great. I think, yes, we probably gave in like 2 or 1 chance. Yeah, with that guy or Madrid, but we ended up also with Marshall Munez. As much as we are proud with Abadala in South Africa, right? No. I'm saying as much as we are proud, particularly Abadala. Hey, but look at Marshall Munez. There's levels in this game.
I was amazed because I felt like he was playing with Gear 1. That's how I felt, but the way he was on the pitch, and I was so deceived by the body structure. Because to me, I said, how is he going to? But he had the game. Experience, Baba. We need our players to go overseas. As much as our league is great, our league is great, but come on, you cannot compare with the Premier League. Look at Forst. About Forst didn't score today, but if you look at the way he played, even the chance he got, he almost got the chance. Let's be honest. But it was a matter of it was unfortunate. So that defender Liliana was just there. It was a keep it ball, but he could have scored the chance. The composure in front of goal, but. At this point, I'm hopeless. I'm very disappointed in the performance of Namhlanje. No, don't lose hope. Njengoba bengishilo asambe siye onyazini kwabakholela unyazi abasindisiwe nendlondo yamanzi ayibuye FNB.
Ndlondo yamanzi, we need you ndlondo yamanzi.
Gogo Skotseni,
Maweni,
all those vibes.
Guys, sendinga manje. Isikhathi sokuyiveza manje. We need you guys.
Lokhunjana lapho, shout out to Inquthu. Siphakamisa Inquthu lapho kwelaba bashokobezi.
Diski challenge futhi bafethu, please subscribe nawe Diski challenge mfethu. Uyazi ibhola iculture uyazi nawe. Sipusha yonke indawo.
Mayo ubloma umuntu ngikhumala imbulazi lokho ikhambela emnyaka endaba.
Uthini Inquthu ngakhumbula usosobala. Wawunososobala uNquthu. Hayi correct.